Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition of Sunday. Sunday, December the 14th, December the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, it's the binary puzzle. Alright, binary puzzle number 9, 7, 5. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Then double O's. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And between 2 ones comes an O. Finished in 2 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. Without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku, the last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.